All right, what we're going to do now is work on posting assignments on Google Classroom because a couple of the assignments that we're having the world language students do actually need to be done on Google Classroom. And there's actually two ways to get there. So the first way to get to Google Classroom, if you go to the portal, you can click on, and I got there by typing in portal.lps.org. You can click on Google Classroom. Here's actually the shortcut to get to Google Classroom if anyone's interested. When you go to a new tab, you just type in classroom.google.com and it'll actually take you there so you can skip the portal. Nothing is wrong with that. Okay, I actually need to fix something really fast. So this is how you add something to Google Classroom. I'm gonna restore an old class really quickly. Okay, cool. So ignore that. So I'm gonna add an assignment to Google Classroom. So this is my 6th grade classroom. So what I'm gonna wanna do first is click on classwork. And what you'll see is the word create. So you want to create an assignment. It lets you create a lot of different things, which we don't care about those right now. We just want to create an assignment. So first you want to give your assignment a title. So I'm going to call this assignment Lesson 6 Hobbies. And instructions. Actually I'll just say follow along with the PowerPoint. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, what PowerPoint are we talking to? We want to go to add. In this case, we want to add from our Google Drive. But it actually could be located in a different spot too. So, we actually do want to use this one called Hobbies. Now, this is the most important part. This is the reason we're posting it as an assignment. Do you see where it says excuse me, students can view file? You want it to make a copy for every student because part of this PowerPoint wants the students to drag some stuff around. And by that I mean, so this is what they're doing on the slide. They have to pick the word and drag it to where it should go. And okay. Oops, whatever. Anyway, the students can't do that if they can only view the file. So it's very important. You don't want to allow students to edit it. If students edit it, things could go crazy. So you want to make sure it makes a copy for each student. This says you can put in points. I would probably click ungraded. Or if you don't want your students to know it's ungraded, you could just put like 10 points. But 100's kind of intense. For a due date, I'm just going to say the end of the school year. So I'll just go to, I don't even know when that is. I'm just going to say it's due May 22nd. And this is optional, but I like to do this because it really helps the learners out. Add a topic. So I'm going to make a new topic, and it's going to be called remote learning. So that's my new topic. So anything that the students do under remote learning will be posted there. So I double check everything. I gave it a title. I gave instructions. I added my slides. I definitely put make a copy for each student. And if you wanted to, you could post this in other classes. So let's say, you know what? I want my 8th graders and my other class to do that. You could post it for all your classes. I'm actually not going to do that, but you could. So then you would click assign. And once it finishes taking its sweet time, so now if your students should be able to see this assignment. It says, oh, my teacher, Prof. Tabor, posted a new assignment. Let me click on it. Now every student, they can still see the instructions, but every student can make their own copy, which is kind of nice because, well, again, you click on the PowerPoint. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not going to show you anything until they actually do it. But anyway, you want I know I've already said this a few times, but you want every kid to be able to make their own copy so that every kid can edit the slide. There's even this question that it asks the kids, sort all the hobbies into 2 categories, me gusta y no me gusta. And so now that every kid has their own copy, they can do whatever they want with this slide. Yeah, that's everything you need to know about Google Classroom. And again, as always, oh, I deleted my email. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always email me. I'll just put it here. I am more than happy to answer questions, especially if I didn't explain things well enough. So my email is stabor@lps.org. Feel free to email me, and if you need something further explained, I'm happy to do that. Thank you for watching.